The body of a woman found in a car along the Winston Jones Highway earlier this week has been identified. The father of the woman, who is a church pastor, confirmed his daughter's identity. This while the deacon being sought as a person of interest in connection with the murder remains on the run. TVJ's Shamela Pullen reports.
The dead woman has been identified as 25-year-old Kahim Campbell. Miss Campbell was a student of the Northern Caribbean University, NCU. Her body was identified by her father, Dr. Amos Campbell, a pastor of a New Testament church in Mandeville. Dr. Campbell is also a lecturer at a Bible college in Mandeville. Dr. Campbell told TVJ News that he was at church on Tuesday when he got the news. He said calls to his daughter's phone went unanswered. That's when he got suspicious and went to the police station. After describing his daughter to the cops, he was told that the body found in the igloo meets the description. Confirmation came Friday after he went to the morgue and positively identified the body as that of his daughter. On Tuesday, Miss Campbell's body was found in a car along the Winston Jones Highway with stab wounds and her throat slashed when she was found wrapped in a sheet in an igloo on the back seat of a gray Toyota Starlet. The Manchester police have named a deacon, 59-year-old Linton Stevenson, as a person of interest in connection with the murder. Following the discovery of the body, investigators went to Mr. Stevenson's house in Bloomfield Circle in Manchester, where they reportedly found a bloody knife and blood stains. Police records show that Mr. Stevenson is a convict who is out on parole after serving time for killing a woman several years ago. Mr. Stevenson is a well-known deacon of a Seventh-day Adventist church in Mandeville. He remains at large. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.